subsequently, I did my MBA with the National University. I started my career in 1996 December at Black Thunder. So after Black Thunder, I got opportunity in Textron. So Textron to one more MNC, Nexus Tuning System. And I went to Suzlon, heard about wind energy, number one in India. I was at Suzlon also. And from 2010, I am associated with the Nexus. This is my professional experience in associate for HR. I started my career as an HR. Still I travel with it was my passion. My mother was in the social department. She was in Brazil. I was a teacher. So I had an interaction with officials, with Canada years, with the social work officer. Why didn't you think for master degree in social work? And then I started to focus on the master degree of social work. It was initially started in the year of 1994. Sorry, 93 was it started, but 94 I got admission. Social work itself, we have three major. One is adult psychiatry, HR, and community development. I am very keen to go in HR because if you are in HR, you will ask more questions of others. And the other thing is, I basically said that HR is a good profession. In social work, HR, but if you ask me very frankly, the HR is a person to spoil the importance of social work. Because social work is mainly focused on to help themselves, to motivate the people to get whatever they want themselves, etc. We don't want to be spoon feeding, like it was the intention of principles of social work. But unfortunately, people are very fond of the HR, so I also like that. But I got an opportunity in CD, but I didn't join them. I want to start my career in HR. That is my dream. Even though I got an opportunity in CD, I dropped the opportunity and give it to some other one of my friend. Did a lot of digitalization, especially in the business point of view. When I was in Texmo, that was a digitalization process initiated. When I was in Texmo, the way of applying the leave and other pathways and everything online, operating system is online. And in Kirloskar, more than that, we are offboarding, onboarding, everything is online. I don't want to ask the people to fill up the application manually. Once we shortlisted, we send the link to the candidate, he can upload the information. And he got all the information as per our requirement. Then we can see virtual interview. I hope you people are also well practiced in the virtual session of classroom session also. So we used to conduct virtual interview first round. After screening, only first round will be planned. So once first round is over, then we will take whether he is fine suitable, then we will go for the next week. But in the case of onboarding and offboarding, it is also digitalization in our part. So everything, if people are sitting in corporate, those who are sitting in corporate need to give the clearance. We need not to send the papers to the corporate. From online we can click and send the request. It will give the clearance from the corporate itself. If I want to recruit anybody, I need to create an EPR, employee request form. The request form itself, it will send it to actually the HR manager and the department head need to initiate the things. Then it will go to business head, then it will go to HR, global HR head, then it will go to CMD, it will get approved, then it is we required minimum 60 days to lead time. Identify the candidate and shortlist and so many formalities. Digitalization already, you cannot skip the digitalization. Now the world is always digital. When my career was started, everything is on paper. Everything was on paper. Even the geo, everything is on paper. Nowadays, nothing will be better. Paper is very few things are required to keep it in record for ISO documentation and other. Remaining all, it is digital. Digital, it is in a part of your life nowadays. You cannot skip. If you ignore the digitalization, then you are not an update in the market. This is the status of the thing.
How does HR planning takes place in the process? HR planning strategy?
Always, whatever the target we want to achieve. For example, in the business, every business they have some specific goal to achieve things. That means in Kirloskar they have annual operating plan. That means next year what really you want to produce the pump, how many pumps you want to produce. What is the market strategy is available in the open to the all. So in out of the open market, what is the contribution towards the Kirloskar? Based on that, market will give the input. This is the quantity next year you may be required to produce. For example, 8 lakhs pump next year is a target of 8 lakhs. If 8 lakhs pump it is once order is placed, then it will come to management goal. Then management goal converted into the all business set goals. Business set goals is converted into the HOD's goal. HOD goals converted into the staff. Then it will go to associate. We used to call the people workers as associate. We never used to call worker. So we used to call associate. Associate also must aware what is the target. The strategy HR is make sure that whatever the resources required to achieve the target of 8 lakhs pumps, in my side I need to be get prepared. With the scope, focus on training and development aspect and recruitment aspect and employee engagement activity, welfare provisions, all each and every aspect HR need to be involved. But whenever the company is normally given the importance to only finance, it is a general phenomenon. But when the issue has come, then it will come to HR. So strategy is that whenever the issues come, HR will on need basis. It is urgent requirement of the HR to resolve the issues. That was the situation. But strategically, if you ask me that the manpower planning, it is always focused on the budget as well as the requirement of competency and technology. So the manpower requirement, once I received from the concerned HODs, we have to validate. We cannot simply accept whatever they. So what kind of competency required, what kind of qualification required for the person, and how many years of experience, what portfolio is going to be handled. JD is playing a major role. I hope you are aware that JD is one of the part. So JD is playing a major role to identify the suitable candidate and other part. So HR extended become as a business partner. We cannot say that HR only involving recruitment and separation action. No. We become a business partner as of now. We cannot speak like that. I don't want to see the profit and loss. That is in my scope. I need to understand what is the ERE, employee related expenses. What is the budget for ERE? That also very important. If ERE is exceed, then automatically your profit will get reduced.
So can you share about your company work culture?
Company? We used to actually in year of 2010 we have proposed to management to recruit 70% of male, 30% of female. When we had a discussion with my chairman, Mr. Sanjeev Kirloskar, he asked Anthony, one thing I want to ask. Yes, please. Ask Anthony, whatever the product we are going to produce, that is an off-HP domestic one like this. It always used in the house for the purpose of lifting of water from sump to over a tank. This is a major intention of the pump. And he said this pump is almost used by only female at home. None of the male starting at morning is 6 o'clock start and switch on the pump. Nobody is, whenever they get empty, the housewife, mother or sister, somebody is going to switch on it. He asked, the person is exactly user is female. Why don't you think to produce the pump by the female? It was fantastic point, it was highlighted by Chairman. Then I asked, give me some time, I want to study the market. Whether I'm able to recruit the female, that is a challenge. Because in manufacturing sector, engaging some of the school dropouts girls are here, 8 to 12. Why don't you plan to recruit the girls? So we have sent a proposal to change 70% of the female and 30% of the male. The strategy is already converted. So then we focused to recruit, initially 35 people were recruited as a female. Then we had a tie-up with the government IT to train the people in NCVT certificate, National Vocational Training Certificate. The government approved certificate. Then I trained the people in the year 2011 of March. So April we deployed. So May we did the trial production. So successfully we have completed the first lot of the productivity. We focused to recruit only 8th to 12th. Nowadays people are nowadays in the
level of 8 to 12. So even degree, people discontinue degree or degree after degree not continue study. That case we used to recruit only the female. We have deployed 100% assembly process a female. Remaining wherever we find fatigue, suppose girls are not able to perform any specific day, it is a challenge for them. And some other thing, total the weight, handling of weight is also very fatigue for them. In that case, wherever we find fatigue, we can deploy the male also. That means kitting, loading, unloading, packing. This is the way. So we have recruited almost 90% of the women employee in the workforce. People used to, as I said, 100% women, why you are HR male? It was happened in 2010 in the month of December. The proposal was discussed. Then we converted the strategy 70-30 into 30-70, male and female.
Great.
And we are number one industry in India. We are running a plant assembling the pump 17.23 seconds. We made Limca book of record also. So fastest pump assembly plant is our plant in India. So per minute 3 pump will come out.
So only pump was manufactured or some other?
We have many branches in India, almost 5 branches in India. Segment wise we have classified. Submersible it is Ahmedabad. Our industry oriented pump set is Devas, Madhya Pradesh. And dam oriented pump set is customized pump set is Kirloskar Wadi. Kirloskar Wadi is the place our founder is. Actually, he was the founder of the Kirloskar Wadi. It was the dry land. He converted, now it is a village. Kirloskar Wadi. Wadi means a village in Hindi. So we have a railway station with the name of Kirloskar Wadi. None of the private name, there is no any railway station at all. Kirloskar Wadi is the first railway station. It is on a village. Almost people, those who are employee of the Kirloskar, they are staying in the quarters. We provide all the things, medical facility, quarters, school. Everything is there, except even we have Kirloskar Institute of Management also in Pune. Pune.
So, like, what are the compliments or maybe the incentives which you provide to the associates to increase the productivity?
The engagement activity is a challenge for everyone, but only advantage is girls will not get monotonous. If you ask the boys to repetence of activity, boys will get bored. Then he will get diverted. But girls, whatever if you are given the assignment, they will perform. That was a challenge, advantage for us. And other thing, getting the people to engage in the different type, they will not get bored. So we have a music system to play the songs in the shop floor. And also every quarter we used to conduct the games. Any type of games we used to conduct every quarter. And subsequently, we have a safety committee, works committee, catering committee, various committee also to address the grievances among the employee. That is a mechanism, as an HR, we should have made some mechanism to address the grievances of the employee by the way of, to take care of the people, such a way. So we have a various committee to take care of the people. And the engagement means we have a very good deployment system with us. People need to be perform the job. If anyone gets stuck, the entire line will get stuck. Such a way we define the line as one thing. And the people used to take out for the outing activity. Every year we want to make outing, team building activity. Lot of activity, all celebrations, everything, Christmas, New Year, Diwali, Pongal, all the festivals we used to celebrate. We never skip any festival. But you have to give some time to the people to celebrate. If you are very keen only in production, then they will also treat it as a machine. There is no any difference at all. Such case, we have to get the rapport with the people in the way of engaging in the proper way. That is the strategy.
To get people at least celebrating
All celebrations happen annual day. The people, I think almost 40% of the people got married. His sons and daughters are studying in schools and colleges, but they will dance at the time of annual day. They enjoy like anything. They treat it as this is school life or college life, and make the people to interest to come. They need to love the job. So make such a way to define and make only important thing as an HR. People should not feel that HR is ignored us. HR is always taken us. This is a basic principle. And if I want to become a good HR, I need a scale of influence. Influence is one of the major tool in HR. I suppose if I have a good influence with the people, I can do anything at all. That is a major part. People, they also have a very good influence with us. They were ready to convince with me for getting something, or any reward system, anything. So next month is orders week. So we propose to give some attendance reward. The people coming 100% attendance, they are going to get 700 rupees reward for some other memento or something. And last year we achieved 90,000 pounds. We distributed mixie. Last year there was an achievement of 80,000 pounds. We distributed some cooker and other thing. So they collected the material to store at home for daughter's marriage and other things. Such a way we defined the mindset. Whether female employees are permitted to engage in second shift? No or yes?
Depends on the industry.
Depends on the industry, partially right.
Normally is 100%.
Good, nothing
So
wrong.
they are in the second shift.
Nothing wrong. Actually, legally, if you are asked in the factory side, there is no any provision. In hospital industry, wife Nalini Chidamani, she filed the case in the Supreme Court and High Court. If you are engaging the women in the IT sector and hospital sector, why don't you not permitted to engage the same people in the industry, manufacturing sector? Then court also taken the right split and recommended to engage the female employees in the manufacturing sector, the second shift operation, with some guidelines. So we got around 35 to 40 guidelines are there as per the Supreme Court guidelines. We need to comply all the guidelines. So out of that, the mindset of the people for coming in the second shift is not an easy, especially the women. So as an HR, we have a practice that we used to go to the employee home visit is a part of the activity. Like KRA, it is home visit is mandatory. So the home visit, whenever we conduct the home visit, we build a rapport among the family members. Create the confidence among that Kirloskar. So Kirloskar take care of the people. Yes, if we send the girls to work at Kirloskar, we are very much safe. Such a type of attitude we make it from the employee side to employee family. Then we got the opportunity to start the second shift. Luckily, I think only 4 or 5% of the attrition was that because people not ready to come. Even few people are not interested. Okay, leave it. We cannot run the show because of that 2%, 3%. So we decided to go with remaining 98%, 96% of the people are agreed. So we started the second shift also. It was a big challenge. But only thing as an HR, we need to be very vigilant, very alert. The vehicle got fitted in the GPS. Like anything, route get diverted, you will get SMS. Overspeed, you will get SMS. Some camera need to be fitted. One guard will be in the place of vehicle. Doorstep drop, doorstep pickup is the night routine rounds by the female security guard. So many challenges are there. It is an additional responsibility, even though we have created a shift culture. That is advantage. Because running an industry without shift, it means not optimum utilization of the existing resources. The resources are not used 100%. That's the reason. But management very keen to utilize the resources 100%. Such a way we have defined we will go for this shift. So we did especially.
So whether your company is providing any CSR activities?
Lot of things. We used to do that panchayat, we extended the support to panchayat, the schools. We adopted some schools. And last year, 2020, 21, 20 itself, we have spent almost 10 lakhs to the society. And there was a challenge in COVID, no people not get an opportunity. So we Kirloskar provided some rations, some rice and other items distributed to the family. Almost 60 days of the ration we have spent. 10 lakhs for 2021, 22 is limited, almost it is around only 6 lakhs something.
So what are the qualifications that you will upcoming HRs like us should have?
You must be very dynamic. Focus on to learn a lot of latest things, whatever the thing, but you cannot hesitate to learn. Learn yourself. You can learn always. If you want to enrich your life, that is not an easy way to enrich your life. It is you have to get it input and you have to ask first. If you hesitate to ask, nothing is going to get from you. Don't hesitate to ask. Even in the HR, you should have very perfect and interpersonal skill. If your interpersonal skill is good, then automatically you will interact with the people, get into things. But you must be very dynamic. You always in the digital orientation knowledge that it is mandatory in the scope of HR nowadays. It is mandatory. And I rightly said influence is one of the character you need to prepare yourself. And whatever the new things is come, you straight away get into the topic, dig more. That's where you get it done. Flexibility, adaptability, that is always is required. Don't stick on, I want to become a manager, so I am in HR, I don't want to get the job, become assistant HR. I am MBA, I need only HR executive. In some cases, you are not able to get the opportunity in such a way. If you are getting the campus is good, but sometimes you are not getting the opportunity. You can get enter into the field of HR as assistant, nothing to bother. Take it as a platform to move forward. If you are getting only one scope of the activity, for example, you are permitted to handle only training and development. Training and development is the vast area. I am saying that the TNI is not a very small subject, it is very vast. If you ask me in training subject, we can do lot of things, how to TNI, how to drop the program, what is the internal, external, how to identify the faculty, external, internal, how to train the trainer, how the resources can be deployed for the training activity without affecting the productivity, such a things. Even though if you are getting opportunity in training and development, okay, take it sprint the right way, join the training and development. But whenever you get a free time, don't sit idle. Go to the other department. If people are in IR, interact with them. Get knowledge of what kind of activity you are performing. What is your learning? Where it is get available. I am sure that not even 80% of the theoretical knowledge you are going to get applied in your practical life when you are starting in HR. But the few of the industries only, that also even 20%, only few of the industries are applicable for the things. I think you studied in the succession planning concept. Not even studied, I think, you are first year. So second year you get opportunity to read about the succession planning. That is not an easy, but if you read the succession planning theoretically, 9-box approach is there. None of the industry is going to practice 9-box approach. We got opportunity in Kirloskar to practice 9-box approach. So if it is come, then only we can utilize. Unless otherwise we are not utilizing it. Yes, only in plant of Kirloskar. Based on our gender diversity, even other plants also focus to go with 70-30, but it's difficult for all the plants because we are handling very small product. But if you go to submersible plant in Ahmedabad, it is a submersible pump itself, you cannot lift, even myself not able to lift. It's that is probably in that case 30% of the female is proposed to import, only in the assembly levels. All depending upon the exigency of work condition. If work condition is more suitable for the female, then that is the reason we are required to female. If it is not possible, then we cannot. Even body we have started with replica formula. It is a system in thermocool accuracy will be the replica formula. So that the plant is the department itself you have required 100% female. Wherever possible we will think. Kirloskar very keen on the gender diversity. And if girls get uplifted, then society will automatically get uplifted. Why not male? Don't ask male, they always uplifted the entire system.
Sir, if you are being a HR, you have to handle both the positive and negative feedback because not everybody will like this. So how will you handle negative feedback?
If you ask me as an individual, I always very keen to get the negative opinion. Because that is in the factor to relook myself, and wherever I want to correct it, I correct. Negative also is important for you, unless otherwise if you look at only in the positive, somewhere you get lapse. So I am keen to preferably given the opportunity to understand what is the negative, where I want to get change. nothing I want to get change. I am not bothered about the negativity. First of all, you ignore some cases. You need to be ignore the negative. If I sit on that only negative, nothing will get move forward. So always focus the negative. Positive is your pathway. Whenever you are moving forward, your opportunity to get the negative, take it right speed. Take the diversion, go with the proper way, climb it, go forward. But negative is must. Unless otherwise you will not move forward. Whoever the people really care about you, they used to tell them some negative, don't do this, this is not a right thing. Take it right speed. Some people always negative. They will also say, no, if you saying that nothing, take it, whether you validate yourself, is it right or wrong, where I want to correct it. If it is not right, throw it out, go forward. In HR, whenever you want to implement new policy and things, few people, the policy, implementation of policy not easy. Whenever you implement any new policy, some sort of the people will get affected. 10% of the people will get affected. As HR, I need to understand who are the 10%. How to get motivated. You cannot motivate 100%. You will not give 100% satisfaction. As a daughter, are you going to fulfill your 100% your parent? No. My son is not ready to fulfill what really my requirement, my expectation. Such a way, even the employees also expected so many things. We have to make people to understand the reality. If you make the people to understand the reality, then your journey is very smooth. If you are unable to convince, if you are unable to influence the people, then it is a challenge. Somewhere you want to remove, you have to remove. That means you can't say the throw out, but we make the people to get the other opportunity. That's a possibility. I'm saying that if you say that no, I will fire you, then people will think, hey, whenever we don't know when you are going to get fired. Such a culture is very dangerous. In any industries, people feel that job is not security, then you will not get 100% output. Then your culture of the industry is also not good.
Sir, explain about KPIs.
Key performance indicator. Actually, the key performance indicator focused on the target. AOP, I already did the AOP. AOP comes to the business head. Business head spread the things. We want to achieve 8 lakhs of the account. What really required the manpower? What kind of training activity you are going to do? What technology you are going to adopt? What kind of machinery you want to buy for the things? All the things listed, the resources requirement. Then basic on that, my HR concept, what kind of support I need to extend to achieve the requirement, and what kind of training activity, any latest technology is required. These all we have to study. Then we fix the KPI, key performance indicator. The appraisals always focus on the key performance indicator. At the end of the year, what was the target of 8 lakh pump you achieved, what kind of support you were committed, what kind of commitment you fulfilled. That assessment will take place. KPI is a scientific tool to measure the employee performance.
Which college you studied? Which college you studied?
I studied in government arts college, same college. No, Karaikal, native of Karaikal. Why?
So the package of college, no?
All it will come all based on their experience. Are you comfortable now?
Yes.
So initially, if I ask, what, you come as a student, I also face a lot of difficulty. Be good, then you can ask this. Nothing, all it is come from your experience. Nothing, when I came out from the college, I also like you. Whenever I get an opportunity, I never to stop only with a particular food. There was construction is going on. I was literally, ideally I was blank. So I decided, okay, whatever the work they assigned to me, I want to take it. There was some construction I will take care of the construction activity, the supervising the activity like that. But whatever the civil engineer is required to perform, I performed more than the civil engineer. Number of people contributed, how many wages, how many bags are, cement bags are in such a way I drafted MBS and presented to the management. They got impressed. Hey, you are not in a civil engineer, but you are giving MBS like that, it's good. The moment the operation start, the first employee Anthony Bosco was in the HR. So we have to make the people to hire you. I need to sell myself. If you ask somebody to buy, what is the special from me to buy? What is the necessity? We have many people in the market. What is the necessity by Anthony in that case? So it will be something special. Whatever the expectation is performed. Sometimes beyond the expectation you are required to perform. You cannot hesitate to go beyond the limit. But restriction always is there. All depending upon your boss, your management. If management, all the interview, if you ask me as an HR, right, I focus only 15% of the subject knowledge. What about the 85%? Attitude. Whether he is willing, whether he is a good learning about skill, whether he is intended to learn, attitude is positive, whether he is ready to fit for our requirement, he is very flexible. When we ask the questions, we can easy to identify, not 100%. But we always focus 85% of attitude. As an HR, if you ask me to interview any candidate, I preferably look at only the 15% of the subject because whatever the company is required in technology and other things, companies already have the resources to train the people. Not required by your studies, give me the syllabus, whether you are covered, then only. There is no any necessity at all nowadays. The companies always have a very good facility to train the people. But only thing whether his attitude is right, whether he is go for any level, whether he stick on only particular or whether he is a stringent character or he is not ready to open, whether he is able to mingle with the people. So many things. GD is also observation. No? It is one kind of observation. We used to go with GD also. In 2010, there was a campus interview in one of the reputed institute in Coimbatore. You won't believe that we have interviewed topmost institute in Coimbatore. I don't want to name the institute. We have conducted shortlisted 40 out of 40, 23 candidates shortlisted for the GD and the next personal interview. GD out of 23 something, we shortlisted only 8 people from the GD round. Out of 8 in the interview, 3 people we have shortlisted. But we have issued the offer. People not ready to come and join because it's a core industry. There was a boom in IT. Everybody is keen on to get the opportunity in IT. That was a trend. So Kirloskar decided that we do not. People are said the reason is different way. Sir, we are not ready to go to North Pune because Hindi is a problem for us. Hindi never problem. If you are very familiar in English, you can manage this room. Damn sure. I don't know Hindi, but if you ask me to go to Pune, I am ready to go to Pune. That's why the adaptability, the flexibility, the willingness to migrate from the location, it was not in the positive. So Kirloskar decided to drop the campus interview in Coimbatore. Still now, after 2010, there is no any campus from Kirloskar to any industry. This is the way management also tune our mind. Why you want to recruit people not ready to come? Why you want to spend the money? People from all the way from Pune need to come. Myself, almost 2 days I need to spend in the college. Or 2 days every morning itself, evening, you cannot leave it simply GD is going on. I need to watch each and every. I need to do the report. How many people in your team? How A, B, C, D numbers will give. Which one is attractive? Why you have selected the candidate? What kind of skill is having? What is the positive? What is the negative? As an interviewer, I need to give the data. I cannot say simply she is good. Why is he saying that she is good? So many things. So we will drop it. Almost so far there is no any campus recruitment from Kirloskar.
So like job, we are selecting people in the sense direct interview.
Direct.
So this pandemic period, how did you handle the company's productivity?
2020 there was a lockdown for the period of 35 days something, only 35 days. And later on, last year I think I think it was 20 days was lockdown. The 35 days lockdown, it was a very big challenge for us to engaging the work from home concept. Zoom was a tool. We always engage the associates. Everybody is having a smartphone, only few people not having a smartphone. So we collected the Kaizens. We asked the people to give the solution because last 10 years or 5 years you have performed the job. What kind of improvement you really require?
such a way we engage the worker. And new initiatives, some modification, some alteration, everything it was captured in the 35 days. And we have initiated as a project. So project also assigned by these staff members to take lead and get it complete. So work from home for the manufacturing sector, it is a very big stuff. But HR is very much more difficult. Engaging the people will be online. Whether they are switched on, leave it. Sometimes students are doing login, finish. Everything counted as like that, not at all possible because every day company need to come out to sell the product. IT sector now it is good for work from home because the overheads are being reduced. But now the IT also facing a difficulty that the retention of employee, nobody is ready to come to office. Mass attrition is going on. I hope you are all aware about the things when it's going on there. IT facing a big challenge to retention of the employee. If you ask the employee to come to office, they immediately put up the paper because I have one more offer with my company so and so. Then if suppose the A company's offer is running, he can attend the B company and it shows that A company offer I got a CPC of so and so. Whether you are ready to give the CPC of something increase 30 to 40%, the trend is going on. Idea always is work from home is possible, but in manufacturing sector, difficult, possible, but outcome it will not be measured by the way of productivity.
Sir, can you share about career management opportunities and practices in any booming industries? Booming industries, career management opportunities and
Career management opportunity. If you ask me as a fresher, that is different. If you ask me to become an employee of the concern, that is different. I rightly said a 9-box approach. 9-box approach itself, we have identified the employee level. So the employee level is below something we require to boost the employee. Then we have identified the career development plan for the individuals. Every individual. Huh?
If it is for freshers,
Freshers different. I'm saying the existing employee career development plan part. And we can identify some successor for the particular critical position. Anthony's position is critical. Then one successor will be behind of Anthony, but Anthony will be another. HR. If you ask me in HR, my boss is our. But I can avoid the policy to the employee to get the opportunity to join the part-time courses. We extend the full support. He can perform, he can complete the studies and obtain the degree from the institution. Then the competency, leadership skill and communication skill. So many things we used to identify. So based on the requirement, we used to give the input to the employee and make the employee to competent to meet our future requirement. This is me for the existing employee. If you ask me as an individual, my career development, I want to become very focused way to define my career. For example, my intention was I want to get opportunity in HR. It was happened. Then I decided to go with I want to become one of the leading person in the company. That was my intention. How to reach that level? I cannot reach the level by a way of saying others, hello, I am Anthony from so and so. No way. So I need to involve some social HR activity. For example, if you ask me, I was the president of NHRD Coimbatore chapter for last 3 years. So the last 3 years of NHRD president, under my guidance, my team was applying the best emerging chapter award all India level 2 times. So the people make understanding who is Anthony. Some type of contribution is required, some type of involvement is required from my side, but my position, company level, company will take care of my career growth. Apart from company, something I need to be reflected in the society to be a good person. We can also contribute in a different way. You people are in MBA. I don't know whether you have a student chapter in your college. No. In Coimbatore, we have three HR forums. One is National Institute of Personnel Management, NIPM, NHRD, National Institute of Human Resource Development, and HRFE, Human Resource Fraternity Associations. All three forums are available to make sure that students also get opportunity to learn in the scope of HR. what really HR is, as an HR, what the company HR is required from the freshers. So even if you college are interested, last week we have started the student chapter at Kumaraguru College. One good example I want to share with you. Tyagaraja College, you heard about Madurai Tyagaraja College. I was connected with the Tyagaraja College students, MBA HR students. Swarnalata, the girl was there. She used to interact with me. And I said, okay, Swarnalata, whenever you get opportunity, you come to Coimbatore, you just attend some program in HRD. She was attended some session. And she was, sir, I am very keen to involve in HRD. Then I told her some coordination activity through myself and other people are deployed, she can coordinate with the HR. Any programs we used to conduct in NHRD, we want to appoint one coordinator. The coordinator must be called to each and every HR. Those who are interested to attend the session and get connected with them, make clearly what is the program, what content we are going to cover, what is the fees and structure, everything. She was a coordinator. She performed very well. One of our HR observed her performance. He gave the opportunity to the company. Now she is in TCS HR. If you ask her Swarna Pavitra, sorry. She tell yes, that is the opportunity for me to get connected with the people. If you are very keen to develop in your career in future, I don't know what kind of connectivity you are having with the other HR. If you are in HR forum, it is easy for you to interact with the HR people. That is an opportunity for you. I don't know if the college is really interested or not. If they are really interested, the present president is Mr. Rajan and secretary is Rajan. Just connect and even I have committed with Kumaraguru in the month of August. We propose to conduct to some HR connect to all the students, all HR students. Especially not only in Kumaraguru, all the students. You heard about Dr. T.V. Rao. You are in HR, you must have it because T.V. Rao is the author of Indian author of HR books, journals. Dr. T.V. Rao. So I also spoke to Dr. T.V. Rao. He agreed. Yes, Anthony, I will come. He is also a legend of Indian HR history. I didn't expect when I was starting my career I am going to interact with Dr. T.V. Rao. Nobody is going to give the opportunity. I got an opportunity to associate with the NHRD. Then I involved more. I contributed well in the NHRD. Then it will reflected at the national level. Yes, Coimbatore Chapter Anthony's presidency, the award was received so a period. And I had an opportunity to interact with Mr. T.V. Rao in Bangalore. He spoke to me. I am really impressed. You are the person to lead the team in Coimbatore. Good. I want to meet you very soon. But it was the year of 2017. We had a discussion. Last week, I called him. I asked Sir Anthony, I remember you. I never forget you, man. He said, that is important. Where you are here, how to create the connect with the people, that is a challenge. If you are in HR, I am sure that you must be good connect with the people in the professional way. Take it in the respect, professional way is mandatory. The career development of individual all depending upon your attitude to learn the things. If you are very keen to go on to become a VP HR, today itself you have to work on that. You cannot expect after 10 years I can. No. Today you have to start it. T.V. Rao will come. You are in first year, definitely you will be continuing this. I will convey the message.
Thank you.
Even if your college is interested to go with any student chapter or any, even lot of HR events are used to occur, but your people not connected, that's why. Whenever HR forum, HR program is used to conduct, we allocate 30 to 45 minutes for the students. First 1 hour become the session for the students, any only HR from Coimbatore. Not always Anthony, not always somebody X or Y. It will get rotated. Some people can ready to share their experience with students. That is the advantage of student chapter. Then next 1 hour will be a common to HR professional people. You can also attend. Saying something, getting something, it is also good. No? Subconsciously get registered in your mind. That's why you take such a way to learn. I am very much keen to learn. That is the advantage.
So, also, HR manager, was the best experience you had in your career?
My industry, because if you ask me my career growth in 1960s, my almost Texmo was my highest tenure. It was 5 years I was in Texmo, and 5 years I was in BlackBerry. So later on only 2 years, 3 years something, but in Kirloskar almost I 11th year I completed 12th year in college, only because of the way the people getting importance in the industry. So I told her clearly, any problems will come, then only the HR will be need. Correct? Unless otherwise nobody is going to search HR. If any problem, the person is not performing well, call HR. Sir, he is not doing a job. Then it is my part, the code, this is my code. Then I have to identify what is the root cause, where I have to land up, where I push him into the train or activity. But in Kirloskar, not like that. Any decision he wants to take without HR, nothing will take a decision. That kind of importance I am getting here. So I impressed with the young workforce also. Dedicated workforce available to girls. I never, 2011 we started, and almost 2022, 11 years there is no any union at all. That is a plus point. Even some of the industries approached our girls to start the union, but they said no. Our HR will take it, we don't want to start any union. That is a state. Right now? Create a confident also journey for influence people like that. Online session will come. You cannot skip after the lesson over, you will go home, but you need to perform the test. The test must be secure minimum 75% unless retest. So that way we have defined the training and development aspect. The LMS, learning management system, that is also in SAP HANA. We integrated all the things in the SAP HANA. SAP HANA is the latest thing. Normally people used to do SAP 7.0, 4.2, 7.0, but we are in the latest version of HANA. It almost single option to give all the solutions. Single window, like anything you can get it. MS, whatever the things you can do. But Kirloskar we are utilized full-fledgedly.
So companies have offering internship for students.
Without stipend, we will get it. With stipend, no. Okay.
Thank you for that.
Coffee or tea. There was work culture for some loyalty. People are joined the company and retired from the same company. Very loyal to the company. Such was it. Now the trend is to differ. The person is select the company. Company never select the employee. Last week I think I went to government IT for conducting the campus interview. Literally the companies are searching the students like anything. Now the hands of competent employee to select the employee. Every year we used to conduct some HR conference in legal language. That it's Tamil.
Yes, sir.
I think in August 14, 13 something we are planning in Kanyakumari. We always get connected with the most, almost we allotted the quota for the placement officer and academics to also get connected. But none of the academics from Coimbatore except the SNR, Karunya, one more institute from here. Only 2 or 3 faculty placement officers, KPR, used to come. I really got the industries are well connected with the institution in Coimbatore. Why academics not interested to get connected with each other? The people used to connect, definitely they are about NHRD and NIP. because of the panelists, actually he was a moderator, I was in the panel. So there was a panel discussion, it was last week, I forget the date, SNS College. Seeing all the students, they used to ask, sir, how we get placed? What quantity, what quality I want to improve? So many questions.
So,
Technology.
if you want to hire a new assistant for you, what are the qualities you are doing?
Basic exam knowledge is not sufficient. Attitude is major important. Basic knowledge is not sufficient. I don't want to be people to know everything. What is the contribution? How to remit the contribution? I can think. I will try. If people have all the mindset, no preconceived idea it is, it's difficult for you to mold according to your requirement. If you are coming fresh, easy for you to give your input now. That was the reason 8th, 12th people, when we initiated the process, permanent purpose concept. What you are going to feed is important. If I want the people well goes with all other activity, I want the HR assistant like everything knows, BF knows, ESA knows, recruitment knows everything, then she knows everything but in her own way. Correct, no? How can I even convert it into my track? She can travel different track. I'm running behind her now. Unnecessary. She is very fresh. No, she will come. We will try. That's true.
Basic knowledge should do that.
Yes. Basic knowledge is important. But you must aware that what is HR. Because you can see the people as a resource. Others engineers are seeing the person is becoming like a machine. That is the difference. MBA always treated human as a resource, correct no? In addition to that, look at this social work concept. Man is become human being. That is the advantage of social work, people easy to convince the individual. But the MBA always focuses on strategy. No, my task is this, my target is this, when you will touch, what kind of resources you want, what facility you want, only you see that such a way. But social work differently, what is the problem? Your family is a problem. What is the husband? Uncover it. What kind of support you have? So many cases are there. All associate or everybody is having so many challenges. So many challenges. Everyone having at least minimum 2 challenges in their life. Husband not good. Sometimes family is not good. The neighbors are not good. Sons and daughters are not really expected to well. So many things are there. Wherever we can extend the support, we can extend the support and provide some guidance. Anybody is in alcohol and we used to refer some institution and provide some supports. Economically, sometimes they are very key. If it is possible, you can do. Otherwise, don't go always in the economical ground. Then people are running behind you to get money. That is also important.
So totally how many employees?
If you ask me now, it is only 180, but we got approved of 380. More shift operation. Only in HR, sir, only in HR. It's good, but something you have to learn others out of box. Out of box thinking is mandatory. If you hesitate, then it is even more to get interested.